It's 2026 and you're still raw dogging a number 2? I'm gonna help you fix that today because it's disgusting. It's like, why don't I just put a bidet in? And that's what I did. I mean, this thing was like 70 bucks. Totally worth it. It's fantastic. It brings the heat. Maybe a little too much, but you know, there's settings on there, so you don't have to go crazy. Just a little lubrication for the old beehole. That'll get you clean. All right, first step. Owen's got to go. Most seats are just going to have 2 screws. Sometimes they're plastic nuts, which this one is. Just unscrew. Hopefully your toilet's not too nasty. Glove it up. But now we're stepping up to the bidet. We're going European. We want to be clean. I don't know about you. Ooh, yummy. Here we got the main bracket and the template that comes so you can make sure you line up your seat perfectly. And you got little brackets. You're going to grab the screws you need. Here's your new plastic nuts. Snug those up nice and tight. Make sure it lines up. Grab your 2 screws. Good to go. Now this seat just snaps right into that bracket. There's the click. And now you're ready to go. With this, you want to make sure you got the elongated toilet, not your little round guy. You want to make sure you got the nice long one. Pause. But yeah, make sure it fits your toilet or you order the right one. Clearly, you're going to need some water for the day, so let's hook that up. So you're going to take this hose, you put your adapter onto the bottom of the toilet. Make sure these are all nice and snug. You got your hose that goes to the bidet and to the water source. Now you might want to take these little plastic covers off to show off the nice chrome fittings. There you go, genius. Now here we are. Thread those on. It's a pretty straightforward process. You just want to make sure everything is nice and snug. There's washers and everything, so as long as it's snug, you shouldn't have any leaks. And if you have a bigger bathroom, maybe this would be easier because it's a little tight right here, as you can see. But you know, we're just powering through. It's all you can do. And if you're looking for a perfect presentation DIY, I'm not the guy. We're just getting things done. I'm telling you how I feel about stuff. This is my channel. Just an average Joe fixing things, reviewing things. And if you enjoy that, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, share it. Anything helps the channel. Look at that. Nice fittings. I appreciate the fittings. It's a German company, you know. They do things quality. And it's a one-time cost. I mean, dude wipes, you got to buy them. They're 10 bucks a pouch. I don't know, every month. This is one time. Installed, done. It even has the lady part cleaner for the missus. That you're not going to do that with a dude wipe. I mean, I don't think so. I don't know too much about the ladies, but I assume you're not. But some nice, fresh, clean water will keep you clean on both ends. We can appreciate that. So do yourself a favor. The link is in the description down here somewhere. You know where it is. You're watching YouTube. And you won't be disappointed. Job done.